Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I am using my Smartbot 4200 to drain my pool, and it's absolutely fantastic. This thing is a half horsepower. It is a perfect suction tool for draining out water. It works automatically if you should have floods or anything in the basement. And I'll tell you what, if the Titanic had this, they wouldn't have had to worry about sinking. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So what's so fantastic about this? This is great, plugs into any 110. You can drop it into your pool or hot tub like I did, and within a very short amount of time, it'll empty it out. Before I used to use a gravity feed, it would take a day to empty out this tub. Now I can do it in under a half hour thanks to the Smartbot, and this thing is super powerful. Now, what's also great about it, you can just leave it in your basement, run a line out, and if your basement floods, this thing will pump up to 4,200 gallons an hour with its simple and efficient half horsepower electric motor. So you can see, I just have a standard garden hose. That was easy for me, but this thing will show you all the couplings and fittings at the end of the video, can use a wider and larger, like a PVC tube going out and really move some water. So if you're looking to be efficient, if you're looking to either empty out your tub, keep your basement from flooding, or wherever you need to move water out of, the Smartbot is absolutely stellar. On top of that, it is a well-designed product. The thing looks like Iron Man. I'm a huge fan of it. It's saving me time and energy. And literally, I used to use gravity feed, running the water out to the lake behind me, and now I can just use the Smartbot. Just for simplicity, I'm just running it to show you the use. But this thing is powerful. It is moving water at a great rate. 4,200 gallons per minute, per hour. If you've got a 10,000 gallon, like an Olympic swimming pool, it's gonna get that thing empty in a couple hours. A 10,000 gallon pool would take days and days to drain under any other method. This is great. It automatically starts when it's submerged in water. No buttons, no muss, no fuss. And that's great. If you have flooding, it automatically detects the water and kicks it out. You don't have to worry about floods anymore. Plus, like I said, it's got the extra large tubing where you can move a ton of water really quick. I'm just using a garden hose, and that's a nice addition as well. So stick around for the up close portion of the video. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations, and this thing is absolutely fantastic. All right, folks, one last thing I want to show you. This is the device and how it sits. Pretty cool, right? Now, if you have an on-ground pool in supported PVC, a pool cover inflatable pool, you're gonna set it basically in here. It's gonna clip down, and this is gonna allow it to sit on that larger surface, if you will. But you can take it off. One second, try to do that one-handed. You can take it off, and this is great for inside the pool, etc., etc. So you kind of got two different settings there. Also, just as a reminder, you're gonna get the best flow with the 2-inch pipe. You got a bunch of connectors, obviously you saw that comes with it. I had the adjustment for the hose on it. It's not gonna flow quite as fast just because it's a smaller surface area than with the 2-inch. So anyway, folks, fantastic product. Go ahead and pick yours up. You can see if you have it like on a pool cover or anything like that, just drop it onto that. And if not, of course, it works great just on its own. Plus, it looks like Iron Man. That's pretty neat. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos. All right, folks, now we're going to check out everything that comes when you get this. It's the Smartbox 1/2 horsepower submersible pool cover pump. Small but mighty, 4,200 gallons per hour. Wow, that thing is fast. Auto-Flo Technology, anti-clog, and multi-use. You use it for all sorts of applications. For me, I'm just going to try to empty out some of the water. I don't need to waste all the water in my swim spa, 1,500 gallon swim spa, and that thing takes all day to drain just with gravity. But this with the reversible pool cover and pump is going to be absolutely fantastic. and I'm very excited about it. Again, 4,200 gallons per hour. Now you can see, I was a little worried. I was like, what do you do with it, right? Now, first off, it's got a really long cord where I can plug it in. No big deal there. And then what I'm gonna do is it comes with just like every coupling you could possibly think of, as well as a kind of a leash for getting it back, pulling it back out of the water. But I'm gonna go ahead and for all intents and purposes, let's see. We're gonna put this on and I'm gonna run just a garden hose. Just my normal garden hose right out the side. See if you can see that. My garden hose out the side, so it's going to be pumping with a simple garden hose. Easy peasy, but of course you can use whatever type of coupling you want, and probably with the larger ones, you're gonna pump more water. So yeah, folks, this is kind of neat. It's sturdy. It's called the Smartbot, and it's absolutely fantastic. It does come with your instruction manual, comes with a cord for grabbing it out of the water, and every coupling you could ever want. So let me go ahead and move this all out of the way. I'll make this pretty for you. Move this out the way. Go ahead and show it. Let me zoom in to where you can see this product. Pretty exciting, right? The Smartbot. And this thing is absolutely fantastic. Again, it has all the couplings and things you could possibly want. But yeah, go ahead and pick yours up. 110, extra long cable, and this thing is going to be beautiful. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Adios, amigos.